missing mine. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me.
Hello guys, and welcome to another vlog of Proridervlogs. So today we are trying to fix the Moxi levers, which is the bigger one set, and we will fix it in the Apache 200. So today I'll show the complete video of the fixing of the Moxi levers. So let's get started with the video. So we have opened the lever, the stock lever. Now we'll put the Moxi levers. So before that, you have to be clear that there will be a certain gap if you don't fix anything in between the levers and this assembly. So for that reason, you have to put something, which we are trying to do it now.
Pixelated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell.
We have fixed the brake side successfully, and the brake is working fine. I can show you. So you can see to that pulsar 220, the brake light is falling, and we can adjust it. Show the adjustment.
There is two way of adjustment in this. One is for reach and rake, and one more is this.
So you can make the size
Yeah, you can
as you want. Okay, increase
as per
the
your
length.
requirements, obviously.
Okay. Nice. So now the clutch side is pending. We are going to fix it now.
Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna.
What is the completed?
Now it feels
See bro,
like
if you
normal
need
clutch.
more this one, we can adjust here and tighten this permanently.
Okay.
You see,
I think you put in 3 and tight it permanently.
No bro, wait, while riding only we can adjust.
ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕೋದು
ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆ ಸಂದೇ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅದು
ಓ ಸರಿಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು
ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕೋದೇ
ಹಾಂ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು
what happened? Switch.
Neutral switch.
Later if you want to switch to stock, you'll have to buy a new switch for this.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ
It's okay.
ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
This safety is important first. Forget that.
What is that switch for?
It will start in
didn't
gear,
want to do
bro.
any cutting.
Oh, that
In
gear.
any gear it will start.
Okay. That I also have. Switch. That switch I also have. Now, like you bought something, right? Some wire I saw that.
Switch, yeah, that won't fit, I think.
It's okay. You'll get a splendor feeling. Bring it back to neutral to start.
No, it will start in any
It will
gear.
start, but you'll have to hold clutch no
Clutch.
matter what.
Oh.
You should know which gear.
Otherwise it will throw.
Even in my 220 bro, the clutch switch.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಹೇಳೋದು
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. Keep breaking this switch. Like it will work for 6-7 months, then it might break.
Might.
Might.
Consider that quite seriously.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ.
Now this doesn't feel like slipper clutch.
Back to normal
No,
clutch.
no, no, I'll put lube and all that. ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನು.
ಅದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ.
ನೋಡು ಲೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾ, ಅದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Where is it dropping?
No, no, no.
This is the one. This is the one. ಕವರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ.
ಕಡಿತೀರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Let us cut and adjust.
No direct fit.
See,
If it was KTM or Pulsar,
KTM Pulsar does everything is soft
plug
direct.
and play.
Right, starting. It's in neutral now.
No, it's in first gear.
tire is moving, then it will.
Now it's in gear
Yeah,
one.
it's in neutral now. Wait. Turn it off.
ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು
ಇಲ್ಲ, now try it, turn it now. Wait, one second. Hold start button. Turn it. Turn it on and hold the starter button. Perfect.
Finally.
Saved.
Right. Hold.
ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
Slant ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಡಿ. Start. Now we have to try. ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೇನು?
ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ ಇದು?
ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ.
No, I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless.
ಕ್ಲಚ್.
Amazing.
So you have fixed the Moxi levers, Akash. So tell your viewers and all the people who owning RTR 200. So is it a direct fit or what you have done?
It isn't a direct fit. This hub has to be changed to Pulsar hub, and you have to buy a separate screw for this.
Okay.
And this shouldn't be meddled with always.
Okay.
This should be in a one setting. If you have to do it, you have to get it done in the workshop. And this side, we have fixed a nut here. You can fix anything else which is suitable, but we have fixed a nut and it works perfectly. And this can be adjustable anyways.
And how about the clutch cable?
Clutch cable, we have changed it to Duke 200s.
Okay. So it perfectly sits on the bike.
So everything is perfect. Looks cool. The best thing is the looks and feel. You get better feedback.
So okay. And also I think you can increase and decrease the
Yes, you can
size.
increase this. In case of a crash, this will come up.
Ah.
So there is less chances of breaking. Actually, there is least chances of breaking.
Okay. Even this also, right?
Yes, even this one. This is fixed right now.
Okay.
If you lose this nut, you can.
Okay. Cool. So what is the expense you have done for buying the levers?
Okay, this Pulsar hub costs around 112 rupees.
Okay.
And this switch is around 10 to 15 rupees.
Okay.
And this cable is 150. And these levers are 1200.
Okay. Both in pair.
Yeah, in pair.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Akash.
Thank you.